I'm ningai, it's your boy NEGI and welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another music track. This time it's from Manipuri again. So the name of the song is Changdam, leita, fajabi, and these songs remind me of my school days when I was in Shillong. I have so many Manipuri friends in my classrooms, so they used to sing this song always, and I was sitting there and even I know these lyrics little bit. So they used to sing in the classroom. So 2010 or 2009, 2008 or 2011, I don't remember the year, but these songs I know, like Changdam, ningai, leita, fajabi, so I know. So that is the reason why I'm reacting to this video, and this video is very old. So let's see how this goes. Machate. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Boni bala aron. Huh? La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Changdam ningai, leita, fajabi. Rajare harai toti mai tong li. Nonto hende. Singing hende. So hende, so hende, la la ningai, leita, fajabi, rai to the rai, nung mai tong di. Very good guitar and all. She's Bala, so young in this video. La 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 Changdam ningai leita fajabi rasa de hai tung ni mai tung no ai de hai tung ni fajabi rasa ni hai tung ni mai tung do. So it was like maza aa gaya bro. So it was nice. The song is very old. पता चल गया बहुत पुराना गाना था. But that time when they used to sing it was like banger. अभी भी काफ़ी अच्छा लगा सुन के. पुराना song था. It was like so when I was in class 10 and अभी it's been like more than 10 years, 12 years. So vibes आ गई like all the Manipuri friends from Shillong. That time they were studying with me. So the song was good. Even if you like my reaction, subscribe करो channel को, like करो and you can come to my gang. So like, stay safe. Peace out.